Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest pet products in the market.
Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about why this product stands out from the rest. Zignature is renowned for its commitment to quality, and their venison limited ingredient formula is no exception. Made with real venison as the primary protein source, this formula is a great option for dogs with food sensitivities or allergies. One of the standout features of this formula is its limited ingredient list. With fewer ingredients, it's easier to identify and eliminate potential allergens, making it a fantastic choice for dogs with dietary restrictions.
Plus, it's grain-free, which is great for pups with grain sensitivities. Now, let's talk about what's inside the bag.
This formula is packed with essential nutrients to support your dog's overall health and well-being. From vitamins and minerals to omega fatty acids, Zignature ensures that your furry friend is getting everything they need to thrive. It's clear that Zignature Venison Limited Ingredient Formula Dry Dog Food is making a positive impact on dogs and their owners alike.
But what sets it apart from other options on the market? Well, for starters, the quality of the ingredients is top-notch.
Zignature sources only the finest ingredients to ensure that your dog is getting a nutritious and delicious meal every time.
Plus, the limited ingredient formula means that you won't find any unnecessary fillers or additives in this food.
In conclusion, if you're in the market for a high-quality dog food that's both nutritious and delicious, look no further than Zignature Venison Limited Ingredient Formula Dry Dog Food. With its limited ingredient list, grain-free formula, and commitment to quality, it's a choice you can feel good about feeding to your furry friend.
That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more honest product reviews. And as always, thanks for watching Product Critique. We'll see you next time.